All right, class, we are going to review a couple two-way words and how we pronounce them before we practice spelling some words. Class, how do I say anything to spell it? Good, I say anything. Say that with me. Anything. One more time. Good, anything. All right, how do I say does to spell it? That one's tricky. That's do's. Do's. Actually, I better make sure we practice that one too. That one's tricky. Okay. And let's see the last one. How do I say every to spell it? Good. Every. Every. Okay. All right, class. Our first word we're going to review is these. These markers are dried out. These. All right, what are we going to write to spell these? All right, good. It's E, Z, but it's S, Z, and. Good. Silent final E, job one. Right, these. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what do I need to write to spell these? Good. Good. E. Z. Which Z? Good. S. Z. And. Good. Silent final E. Job one. All right, and see if you can mark everything without me helping. Make sure to see if this is saying its first or second sound. All right, this one has a lot of markings. All right, our next word is similar to these in how we spell it. It's those. Those markers are not dried out. Those. What are we going to write to spell those? Good, it's O, Z, but it's S, Z again, and good, silent final E, job one. All right, write the sounds in those. Say them while you write them. All right, class, what did you write? Good. Good. O. Z. Which Z? Good. S, Z, and good. Silent final E. Job one. All right, see if you can do all the markings without me. All right. This is saying its second sound. All right. Let's see, the next word is shoe. What's the word? Good, shoe. All right, what are we going to write to spell shoe? Okay, we've got three phonograms. It's sh. The oo is what? Good, ah, o, oo. And we've got a silent final E, job six. All right, so go ahead and write shoe. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what did you write to spell shoe? Good. Shh. Good. Which oo? Good. Ah, o, oo. And good. Silent final E, job six. So see if you can mark everything without me. Good. All right. The next word is lady. How many syllables are in lady? Good. What's the first syllable? Good. Lay. And that's what kind of syllable? Good. An open syllable. So we know which A we're using because we only say open syllable for a single vowel at the end. All right. Our second syllable is what? Good. D. And which E are we using? Good. Yeah. I-E. Write lady and say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what's the first syllable? Good, lay. And what kind of syllable is it? Good, an open syllable. All right, and the second syllable? D, good. And which E? Good, yeah, I-E. That is also an open syllable. When this is in an open syllable, it can say its vowel name, which is I, or it can say E. Same with the letter I. All right, see if you can mark it without me. All right, good, we've got this. And good, this gets a 3 on top. All right, class. Our next word is do. Which oo do we use in do? Good, that one we also use o, oo. All right, so write do. All right, class, which oo do I need to write to spell do? Good, o, oo. So this is odd. Usually this would say what at the end of a syllable? Good, it's name. But here it's saying which of its sounds? Good, it's third sound. So that's odd. That's kind of an exception. All right, our next word is does, but does is a two-way word. How do we say it to spell it? Good, we say do's, but we have a silent E in there. Usually if we need to add it to the end of O to make it plural. So if we want to make, if we want to add an S to the end of a word that ends with O, usually we have to add ES. So do's is an example. We write do, silent E, and then our S. So go ahead and write does for me, or as we say to spell it, good, do's. All right, class, what do we need to write to spell do's? Good, duh. Good, oo, oo. Good, we have a silent E, and then good. So does, we say do's to spell it though, and this one needs a lot of markings. How do we mark this? Good, this gets a 3, just like in our base word. This is silent, what do we do to it? Good, double underline. And how about this one? Good, it needs a 2 on top because does. But now we say do's to spell it. We say does when we're speaking. So is this going to get a thinking cap? How about this? Good, this is the one that's going to get the thinking cap. All right, that one's really tricky. I'd like you to flip your paper over and practice it one more time. The word is do's, but how do we say it to spell it? Sorry, the word is does. How do we say it to spell it? Good, do's, but we have a silent letter in there. What is it? Good, we have a silent E. All right, so go ahead and write that. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, the last thing I want us to do in this video is to go to page 3 in our notebook. So page 3 in your notebook. All right, so we're going to go down to our vowels section. I've got to help us get this filled in a little bit more. All right, so we just practiced a word that had our a-o-u saying its third sound. The first word, well, the word I'm thinking about is do, because that's our base word. So so we've got something in the first space, skip the second and go over to the third. So the line under the 3, that's across from our a-o-u. All right, and we're going to write do there. Go ahead and write do. Say the sounds while you write them. And mark it. All right, class, what did you write? Good. D. And good. Oo. Which oo? Good. A-o-u. And how do I need to mark my a-o-u? Good. It gets a 3 on top. All right, let's see, while we're here, let's go ahead and, for our a-o-u saying its name, or its second sound, we're going to write those. Those. And which z do you use? Good. Z, z. Say it while you write it. All right, class, what did you write? Good. V. Good. O. Which z? Good. S, z. And good. Silent final E, job 1. Make sure you put all the markings on it. This one just has a marking on everything. All right. The last thing on our page, let's hop up to our E, our e, saying its second sound. Let's go ahead and write these. These. Say the sounds while you write them. Which z do you use? Good. S, z. All right, say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what did you write here? Good. V, E. Good. Which z? Good. S, z. And good. Silent final E. Job 1. All right. Nice job, class. I will see you tomorrow.